Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, because right now on the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles we're seeing a clear continuation pattern of a descending bouldering wedge getting generated. This is a typical bullish bias pattern and a typical continuation pattern, so we will be discussing all the price targets that we are going to of course have here for this significant descending bouldering wedge. As well, I'm going to go over the Bitcoin 4 hourly chart that of course already retested this previous level of the top side of this bull flag right now. As well, I want to be going over the Bitcoin daily time frame, where we are right now seeing a very interesting touch point, a very interesting few touch points of this upward sloping support line. As well, I'm going to talk about the weekly time frame, because I personally think that we should be getting pretty excited right now if we're going to look at the Bitcoin weekly chart, because I think that we are right now going to of course create a very significant leg up here, because the last time that we saw of course such an this bull flag cross, it of course the market increased with an approximately 550%. So let's see what we're going to see of course on today's video. First we'll be starting off with going in towards the descending bouldering wedge, but before I'm going to go and talk about the imminent short term, make sure that you are going to smash up that like button right now here, because of course smashing up that like button is only going to take a few seconds of your time, but you will be literally mean the world to me here, because the more people that are going to smash up that like button, the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So you will be not only helping me out, but you will be helping out the whole cryptocurrency industry out there. So with this out of the way, let me start off with talking about the Bitcoin price action. So like I already told, of course, in the intro, the price action of a descending bouldering wedge here is of course a typical continuation pattern, because we created a very significant leg towards the upside. We create a significant leg towards the upside. Then we're seeing this downward sloping resist line getting formed here, and this downward sloping support line. So we're basically seeing a descending bouldering wedge here. Descending bouldering wedge, like you can see over here, has a very clear price objective. The price objective is of course measured from the low towards the high of the the bouldering wedge here basically. So if you're going to measure this price target from the low towards the high over here, and you're going to measure it from the point of the breakout, this is going to be signifying that we're going to see an approximately 3.5% move here, if I say 3.7% move even. So yeah, this is looking like a very significant rally that we could be getting trade from here on, and it looks to be that we are forming as well. We are in a very healthy trend, because we are forming still higher highs and higher lows. And with this continuation pattern, I should be expecting that we could be seeing another leg towards the upside getting generated. Of course, you have to keep in mind it's right now still Sunday, and of course it's still weekend, so maybe it's going to be a little bit boring on the weekend. Maybe we're only going to see, let's say, an increase back towards this level, and maybe tomorrow we're going to start to see the real big rally. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes set on it, because yeah, usually on the weekend the volumes are very low. So as well with this breakout, the volume will be most likely very low, so make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards it. But it's for sure going to signify a minor trade opportunity of an approximately 3.75% here. So and this is my personal opinion, what I do expect what Bitcoin is going to do here. And if you want to be, of course, signing up here with BYBIT as well in the link description, you will be able, of course, to take these trades here towards the upside or towards the downside. It doesn't matter where the market is heading towards. You could be always making gains here in crypto and in Bitcoin. So if you want to be signing up right now here with the highest link in the description, you will be getting, first of all, an amazing deposit bonus. And second of all, you will be able to take these trades here. And yeah, that is definitely very valuable to have. And of course, it is definitely very valuable to have these skills here in the market, because this skill set of trading is one of the most required skill sets right now in the market, and it's definitely a very valuable skill set that you could be having right now. So let me then right away after that move in towards the 4 hourly candles. And on the 4 hourly candles, guys, we are seeing right now, of course, we were approaching this bull flag. Of course, I'm still standing with my bull flag price target. But once again, patient is key. You want to be staying patient. We are right now just retesting the bull flag. We broke out of the bull flag, retesting the bull flag right now, and we could be starting to move up from here on. So yeah, it looks does look very strong right now here. We are retesting this level. Previous resistance getting supported right now here as well. You could be maybe look at this 4 hourly close over here. You can see 4 hourly close, previous resistance right now flipping into support. So it looks pretty solid right now in my opinion. And I definitely think the trend could be basing more further towards the upside. In the meantime, you can still see as well higher highs getting generated together with higher lows. So yeah, trend is still looking very healthy. And I will be, of course, always approach this I will be always trade very realistic. And right now as well, if you're looking to the EMA ribbon, we're still getting supported by the EMA ribbon as well here. And like you can see, if you're trading below the EMA ribbon, it will be providing resistance. And if you're trading above it, it will be providing you support, like you can see. So yeah, definitely should be standing more on the bullish side right now here. And I definitely think we could be seeing as well this descending bouldering wedge seeing breaking towards the upside. So make sure as well to right away follow me here on Twitter, so you're not going to miss out on this breakout. Because yeah, as soon as we're going to start to break out of this descending bouldering wedge, I will be keeping you guys all up to date here on my Twitter page. So make sure that you're going to hit that follow button right now here on Twitter at RoverCRC. You could be either go on Twitter and follow me, or you could go to the second highest link here in the description and hit that follow button over there. And it will be linking you, of course, to my Twitter page. So then let me move on further, and this is going to be getting pretty interesting, because right now I'm going to zoom out ever so slightly on Bitcoin to, of course, determine if we should be bearish or bullish right now in the coming days, coming weeks from now on. So you can see over here, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, support, support, resistance, support. So yeah, we are trading right now on a pretty interesting level of an upper sloping support line. I should be for sure keep your eyes out on this level here. I think this is going to be a very strong level that's going to be providing a lot of support here in the coming days for Bitcoin as well. You could be still approaching down slope resistance line from the top side. Already got broken. This one is as well getting retested as support. So yeah, several resistance lines flip this support right now coming together. I think this will be resulting in a very strong bounce back towards the upside. So daily candles as well, looking like we are finding some very strong support right now. But then it is getting pretty interesting, because right now I want to be talking about some very interesting Fibonacci targets, and I want to be talking about the bull market support band. So you can see over here the bull market support band, we were breaking above it already 2 weeks ago, and right now on this week, once again, we retested this bull market support band once again successfully. And this is, in my opinion, a very bullish structure, because like you can see previously, the last time that we broke through it, of course, we retested as well several times, and we move towards the upside. And you know, the last time that we crossed the bull market band here basically into the green, you can see this resulted in an approximately 550% pump here, 540% pump. So this was, of course, resulting in a crazy pump towards the upside. So make sure that you're not going to miss out on this this major signal Bitcoin is right now getting us on the weekly time frame. So yeah, we're getting supported by the bull market support band. This is for sure going to be very important support that could be pushing us and helping us to push the prices further towards the upside. Second of all, guys, let me then talk about another very key important important thing here, because if you're setting up the Fibonacci extension from the bear market low, the pandemic crash low, towards the swing, the all-time high to Bitcoin, and then you're putting it to the low of the previous low, of course, around the 30k here, 28k to 30k, you can see right now we're getting some very interesting targets and some very interesting significance on this chart right now. So together with the bull market support band, this level, the 0.236 here, is providing massive support for Bitcoin. So is Bitcoin going to really break below the 43k here? I think it is not definitely very likely to see Bitcoin closing below the 43k here. You can still see we are getting supported by this level right now, and we are getting respected by this level as well. So yeah, personally, I do expect that we could be pushing up once again back towards the 0.382 here. That's of course the golden pocket entry, and in my opinion, I want to be seeing this level getting broken in the Fibonacci extension chart here. And this will be as well a chart that I will be keeping as my main indicator for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, where we will be finding very strong resistance. So yeah, right now my major resistance will be most likely get found here around to 51.2k once again. It also comes together with the previous local high Bitcoin got created over here, excuse me. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards how this is going to be reacting, but we are seeing some very interesting significance. I personally think that you should not be all too bearish, since we're getting in just a very successful retest of this level. I think we are looking pretty bullish right now as well on the weekly time frame, as only one hourly candles, and you can see it is already showing quite the strength here on this one hourly candle. So I will be wrapping up the video right now here, because I want to be uploading it as soon as possible, so I can give you guys a very quick update, of course, on the market, and you could be maybe as well still get in on this opportunity. So if you don't want to be missing out on these future updates videos here on my channel, don't forget to smash up the subscribe button on the channel and ring the bell notification, so you will be definitely not missing out on these videos. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching to this amazing new video here on my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.